Matco Cordless has always been dedicated to delivering professional automotive technician performance, and powerful breakaway torque has been a key focus. Matco is reaching new heights in that performance goal with the launch of a new 20-volt 3/8 brushless impact wrench with 900 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. This new impact comes loaded with other technician-focused features as well. With 3 power settings in the forward direction, the end user is able to limit the amount of torque applied in the forward direction, preventing over-tightening. 4 powerful LEDs surround the square drive, helping provide light in poorly lit areas and limiting the need for additional light sources. The tool comes backed by a 3-year warranty. It uses the same battery connection as current Matco 20-volt tools, allowing users to easily upgrade tool performance, and is available in multiple colors and kits.